given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be an accountant because it's safe in the business.
Hello lovely and beautiful nail friends, welcome back to a new video. So in this video I want to create a beautiful design. I saw a red tip and the top black, and I also want to use some stickers and some bling on the nails, and also I'm gonna try and use the cover up builder gel from Yayoge to put press-on nails on my nail. So the first thing you want to do with press-on nails, and these are from AliExpress. If I can, I will leave the link down below. Also, I'm using my Yayoge Sun 1 lamp, and I love this lamp. So you want to size up your nails that they fit from sidewall to sidewall, and you see this is way too small, and it's not a big problem if they are a tiny bit too big, because some of these products will shrink. The first thing, I did my prep and I took the shine off of my nails, and now we are going in with acid-free primer. And you feel some cold on your nail because of the primer. And then we are going in with a layer of a base coat, and I'm gonna use my Saviland nail rubber base coat, and we are going to apply that on the nail, just a thin layer, and then cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds. And I also got this big bottle of base coat from AliExpress, and I do have the top coat as well. And if I can find the link in my history, I will leave it down below for you guys. So there we have a layer of base coat, and we are giving this a cure for 60 seconds in the nail lamp. And you can file the inside of these babies right here, but I want them completely clear, so that's not what we are going to do in this video. And we are going to use this red Danielle gave me. We are going to use Model 1's black nail polish. We have a no wipe drill gel 4-in-1 bling gel, and this is what we are going to use for our bling. We've got these stickers, and you will find these in one of my AliExpress hauls, and I think I want to use this snake, cut them in pieces and divide them on my nail. And also I'm gonna use this Diva rubber top coat. And last but not least, we are going to use my favorite Cover Pink builder gel. And also I have some bling from Amazon ready, and I will see if I will use those. And also we've got this little light to flash cure my nails. So we are going to start off with my pinky. We are going to use a little bit of the builder gel, press that in here, and I really hope this will work. And we are going to do the same on all of these nails. Let me give this a flash cure in my nail lamp so it will stay on my nail. So there is nail number 1, and we are going to do all of this for all of my nails and then give them a cure for 60 seconds. So I will be right back. So these are on really nice. So the next thing you want to do is put a layer of rubber base coat on these babies right here, and then we are going in with the red. So let me see if I can find a brush. Let me clean this one off. And then we are going in with another layer of base coat. And you want to work really nice and thin. So we are going to give this a cure for 60 seconds as well before going in with this beautiful red. And I think we are going in with 2 layers of this red, and this is age 19, and this is a beautiful red. So let me slide this lamp right here so we can polish them. So we are going to see underneath how they will look with 1 layer, or if we need 2 layers. I'm definitely gonna do 2 layers. And you want to make sure you cure between the layers of color for 60 seconds. And I want to do a fall design with brown, and I had some stuff ready for the video, but I saw a photo of the Louis Vuitton or something, I don't know how you say it, but I saw a photo of nails did this way, and I thought they were so beautiful, and also they are amazing for fall because they are red and black, and I think the snake will be just an extra touch to give them a little bit more, but we will see how they will turn out. And look at this red. This red is gorgeous. And also this layer needs a cure for 60 seconds. Look at that. Wow. So now we are going in with the black, so I hope they will turn out really pretty, as I hope. And we are going in with the Model 1's black, and hopefully the coverage is enough, so I just need 1 layer, but we will see what it will do. I think they look amazing already. It's a little bit dark, but you can see the red underneath. So the next step, what we are going to do is grab our snake here and see if we can put that on the nail in pieces and see how that will turn out. So I think we need to top coat these two already before I'm messing everything up, and we are going to use the rubber top coat because it's a little bit thicker and you're gonna encapsulate these babies so they won't stick out. So they look amazing, and I want to use this bling on this nail, and I think I'm gonna use some of these small snakes on my pinky. So first we are going to grab this top coat slash gel and put a layer on my nail. Let me see what we are going to use. I really like these diamond ones. So we are going to use these stickers for the last two nails, and I think they look gorgeous. Look at those bling nail and the red underneath side, and also I'm gonna use just some top coat just to give this bling nail some extra strength. But first we are going to take some snakes for my pinky. Look at that, gorgeous. And I'm sorry I'm not talking much throughout the video because I'm in a really emotional situation right now. It's quite hard for me, so I just don't talk too much. I don't want to cry or anything, so that's why. But I still want to do videos with the things I still have here in my nail room, because all my other stuff is in boxes, and I'm daily filling boxes, selling stuff and looking for a new house for me and my kids. So that's the things I do these days. Try to do nails just to keep my head a little bit clear of all of the drama. So but I felt like doing nails, and I thought this set was gorgeous, and I really hope you think the same. I hope you like them too, and also you still enjoy the video without me talking too much throughout the video. So here we go with the set, and this is underneath. I need to clean it a little bit, but I think they look gorgeous. Look at that. So we are going to put some cuticle oil, my homemade cuticle oil, on my nails. And I really hope you still enjoyed this video. It's a little bit different. Normally I do talk throughout my videos, but I'm just tired and emotional and everything. So hopefully you like this design. If you have any ideas for cute designs I need to try out, please let me know. Also for fall and Halloween, I'm still looking for nail art for that period of time, so please let me know what cute things I should buy. Leave the links down below. But for now, I'm gonna say thank you so much for watching my video, being here, supporting me and helping me out through this difficult period of my life, and I really hope to see you in my next video. Bye!
Given that's how we live it, don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to